Eddie's Recipe Bowl. Today I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to smoke these delicious, juicy chickens on your Traeger smoker or any pellet grill outside. I'll give you step-by-step instructions on brining, rubbing, how long to cook them to get the perfect chicken every time. Okay, to get the juiciest chickens whenever you're smoking them, you want to brine them anywhere from 4 to 12 hours. It's better overnight, but if you only have 4 hours, that'll do. So we placed our 2 chickens inside the cooler, and we're going to cover them with water. It's about a gallon of water to cover each chicken. So for each gallon of water, you're going to add a half a cup of salt. Now it sounds like a lot, but it's going to make these chickens flavorful. And then I add about 3/4 cup of brown sugar. And that's what's going to give our chicken a good brown crust. And this is totally optional, but I always like to throw in a little fresh herbs, some rosemary, and some thyme. Then we're just going to close the lid on our cooler, and we're going to let that go 4 hours or overnight if you have the time. We took the chickens out of the brine. Now we're going to dry them off good so that our seasoning sticks good to it. We want to tuck the wings in under the chicken. Today I'm using this roasted chicken rub. You can use any kind of rub you like on your chickens. Inside. Don't be shy with your seasoning. Just give that chicken a good rub all over. Flip it over, do the bottom. We're going to be smoking these today at 225 degrees. And it should take about, I'm going to say maybe around 2 hours, but until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. And by brining our chicken, that should make it juicy on the inside, and this rub should give it a good dark color on the outside. Take some butcher twine, tie the legs together. That'll give us a more even look. I'll link this twine and down below if you're interested. Just tie them so it gives it a more even cook because everything will be uptight together. We're going to cook these until it's 165 degrees. Okay, our Traeger smoker is preheated to 225 degrees. We're going to put these directly on the grates. Let's check on our chickens. Oh, they're looking good. I'm just chopping up some parsley for some grilled corn on the cob. You have never had corn on the cob on the grill like this. And this full recipe is on my website, therecipebowl.com. We're just going to add that chopped parsley, about 2 tablespoons, into a half cup of mayonnaise. We're going to add add in 1/4 cup of melted butter, a tablespoon of sugar, and then a fretted 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. I thought, what better time to make grilled corn on the cob than with this smoked chicken. A little bit of salt, some pepper, just mixing that all together. Then we're going to take our corn on the cob. Just going to slather that all over it. So you can see. Then you're going to be heating your grill to about medium high. And we're going to grill these for about 12 minutes. We're going to turn them occasionally. This is the best corn on the cob you'll have ever eaten. Chicken should be done about then, and then we can eat. Hot rod is putting the grilled corn on the grill. Medium high, 12 to 15 minutes. We're going to turn them occasionally. Our chickens have reached 165 degrees. Oh, look at that. Oh, look, the meat's falling out already. That's how done it is. Wow, they smell so good. Let's cut into one of these chickens so I can show you how juicy the breast meat stays smoking these chickens. If you have anybody in your family that says, I don't like breast meat because it's dry, you need to smoke a chicken for them. Let's try it. That chicken literally melts in your mouth. Serve it alongside it. We have our buttery, flavorful grilled corn. Thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed both of these recipes today.